John Cena laundry Banget, a giant durian Banget, coffee Banget, scooter Banget, national park Banget, giant statue of a woman Banget, monkeys Banget, hotel Banget, church Banget, palace Banget, jacuzzi Banget, river Banget, Sunday Banget, pineapple juice Banget. I'm in a small Cambodian town called Kampot. This place doesn't have world-famous temples, beaches with turquoise blue water, or even bustling nightlife. But for some reason, travelers and explorers alike find their way here. 5 hours from the capital, along dirt roads and broken buses. I came to find out why this place is so special, so follow me. It's good, guys. So this is where I'm staying. It's called Mangroves, or a mangrove hotel. So pretty basic. I only have a fan up here. I have a mosquito net. The view is blocked by some iron bars, steel bars, but there's one, there's two, there's 3 power outlets, so I can charge all my stuff. But yeah, I'm here for 2 days, and then we shall see what happens. If I like it here, might stay longer. If I don't like it here, I might go to some other islands in Cambodia, Koh Rong to be exact. But yeah, this is my stay for 2 nights. Check out the floorboards as well. You can see through, and there's a river flowing. This is a better view. Neat. Alright, let's go explore what this place has to offer. Kampot. Alright guys, just finished my morning coffee and it's time to head to Bokor National Park, which is one of the most famous attractions here. It's a little bit outside of the city. So I shall jump on my trusty scooter and see you there. So I'm halfway up this mountain. I'm just driving along the road. Really nice, flat, straight roads, no bumps, nothing. And I realized that I'm overtaking everyone, and everyone's doing 20-30 k's an hour, like the speed limit says. And then I think to myself, why am I overtaking everyone, or why is everyone driving so slow? And then I realized, astaga, I'm half Indonesian, and only Indonesians drive like this, like crazy, overtaking everyone, speeding, and so on. Halfway up the mountain, scooter is holding strong. I shall see you up there. This place was the king's residence, and it was built in 1936 out of stone and blackwood. You can see how bad it has survived the teeth of time, and also the teeth of people who have graffitied all over the place. This is the Lok Yai Mao monument, and it is a goddess of protector, and she is protecting these forests and the mountains up here. And she's 29 meters tall, and on the other side you have an amazing view from down the mountain. Crazy. church was built in the 1920s here by the French colonialists. And it echoes quite well here, if I do say so myself. But a lot of history in this place. I'm gonna go find the abandoned palace now. The palace behind me was built in the 1920s and renovated in 2012, and it cost 21 million to renovate, 21 million US dollars. And it was built for the rich and famous, or the elite of the French, to escape the heat of summertime Cambodia. So right now this is a 6-star hotel actually, and I'm not sure how much the night costs here, but you can imagine if it's 6 stars, and it's about 45 minutes from Kampot, the city that's down there. Here ends the national park tour, or Bokor National Park tour. So I will be heading back to Kampot to show you what's up in the city as well. It's about 1 hour drive, or 42 kilometers of windy roads. So wish me luck. About 6 o'clock, and I came to check out the night markets. There are actually 2 night markets in this town, but this one is called Kampot Night Market, right behind me, and this way as well. And the other one is Bokor Night Market, but this one is more popular. I found something that I need. Let's see. Alright, beard and haircut done. Check this out. And now it is time to head to the other night markets. Let's go. Alright, not sure what the bird thing is all about. There's 1,000 birds just flying around, tiny ones. But this is one of the main street night markets. So let's check out what they sell here. Looks like it's still slow. It's a strange thing I noticed, but this place is way more touristy than most of the places I went to in Indonesia. But the signs are rarely in English. Most of the signs are still in their own language, which is strange, especially in this city, which is pretty much half tourists, half locals. But let's go see if we can grab something good to eat. Looks like I'm gonna start off the night meals with my favorite mango juice right behind me. Doesn't matter what country you are in, there is no way to go wrong with a mango juice. So cheers, and let's find some food. Pretty good deal. So you got the beef with noodles and vegetables, and a 1 large klapa or coconut, and it cost me 275 total. I think in rupiah it's about 40,000, which is not bad considering I'm in the middle of Kampot. So I'm just at the Riverside, and behind me there's a couple of places with like Happy Pizza or Happy Yummy Pizza. So if you're ever here, be careful, because This is not your regular pizza. They put some sort of happy green herb inside that makes you a little bit woozy, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I have to be careful with that one over there. There's Kampot haze pizza. Sounds a little bit hairy as well, unless you are into that sort of thing. And it's time to head back home. So thanks for joining me again, and don't forget to like and subscribe as always. Tomorrow, new adventures in Kampot.